Meaning of flambé.
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 Flambé. Flambé is a French culinary term that refers to a cooking method where alcohol is added to a hot pan to create a burst of flames. The alcohol quickly evaporates, leaving behind a rich and intense flavor. The result is a visually impressive and delicious dish that is often served as a showstopper at special occasions. Flambé dishes can range from savory options like steak and seafood to sweet options like crepes and bananas foster. The flames are extinguished once the alcohol burns off, leaving behind caramelized flavors and a memorable dining experience.